In this module, we will explore the Microsoft Power Platform is a set of powerful tools that helps users build apps, create reports, automate tasks, and more, all with little or no coding. It includes Power Automate for automating workflows, Power BOE for data visualization and reporting, Power Apps for building custom business apps, Power Virtual Agents for creating intelligent chatbots, Power Pages for building secure websites. The goal of Copilot in Microsoft Power Platform. The Microsoft Power Platform is designed to help people, especially information workers, build apps, automate workflows, and create reports without needing an IT background. Tools like Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BOE make it easier for non-developers to solve business problems on their own. However, each tool still requires a certain level of technical understanding. For example, creating a simple approval flow in Power Automate is relatively easy, but writing complex DAX formulas in Power BOE can be much more challenging. This is where Copilot comes in. Copilot is an AI-powered assistant integrated into the Power Platform. Its goal is to make these tools even more accessible by allowing users to describe what they want in natural language, and then Copilot helps build it for them or automate. Describe your workflow in a sentence. Example, when a new item is added in SharePoint, send me an email. Copilot builds the flow with the correct triggers and actions. Power Apps. Chat with Copilot to design an app interface and connect data. Copilot generates screens, fields, and logic without code. Power BOE. Ask questions like show sales by region for the last quarter. Copilot creates visuals, charts, and reports instantly. Power Pages. Easily add forms, text, and chatbots to your web pages. No need to write HTML or custom scripts. Power Virtual Agents. Explain what you want your chatbot to say or do. Copilot builds or improves chatbot topics using natural language. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.